A disker with a hydraulic switch. When the long metal spring touches the trees, it turns a valve to move the discs out of the way and then moves back into place when there isn't anything that stands in the way. This aluminum can be sprayed with Line-X. It can now hold a truck and not crush. Galvanizing your exposed ends will protect them and create a more durable job. 2-in-1 furniture and dog feeder. No spill, perfect portions every time. A manual brazier blower will help to make a fire and keep it in the right volume. With a narrow jet, you can control the heat exactly where you need it. This is a plastic handle for carrying water bottles, 1 or 2 people. A chemical paint remover acts as a solvent. It easily penetrates into the old decorative coating and softens it. It looks like magic, but it's a simple play of pressure between the full glass and the empty one. Great tool for cutting tall tree branches without climbing a ladder. The reed cone chamfer tool can be used both to chamfer the inner and outer diameter of the PVC. This bin is from the future. When it gets full, it automatically seals the trash bag inside to guarantee no spilling or exposure to any bad odor. The correct pocket hole jig is an advanced jig for creating rock-solid pocket hole joints. A few elastic bands make clamp this grip a lot tighter. Waterproof electric power strip that can be used outdoors despite the rain. An old piece of scrap metal can be quickly de-rusted in seconds with this powerful laser. Water-based latex paint is the fastest drying asphalt-appropriate paint and will be dry in less than 3 hours. Water rowing machines are a great way to get a rigorous cardiovascular workout without high-impact stress on your joints. Tray that protects fruits from rotting. A tool with which you can easily and quickly remove the insulation from any wire. Plastic clips for plants that may be needed in agriculture. Upgraded excavator for more efficient operation in hard-to-reach places. Modern equipment with which you can lay cables underground. The damped fibers get harder and create a pattern that mimics rock when used on clay. The production process of plastic flexible pipes. Heavy-duty sewer manhole capable of withstanding heavy loads. Here, you have a quick hack to bend a pipe without breaking it. You only need another material inside. The process of sand application lawn improves the properties of the soil, opening up access of oxygen and water to the roots. Seeds of plants on such a lawn will germinate better and more densely. Handheld portable printer for marking goods. Sam Green is a professional cylinder sharpener that leaves blades so sharp they can cut paper with ease. This guy attached an electric plug to control a car window. Upgraded soil fertilization shovel that saves time and effort. Use heat shrink tubing instead of duct tape. It's more practical, safer, and more convenient. A foldable water canister is perfect for camping trips. In addition, it's equipped with a convenient and practical handle and a lid with a tab.